Sir, are you getting through? How can I help you?
Oh, yeah, man. Here to see Vybee Cartel. I did your palm, man. See what I say?
So what's your name? Are you family?
Yeah, man. Erland Bartley.
Erland. Okay. Alright, let me see. Raheem, Jaim. I don't really see a Erland here. So what's your relationship to Mr. Palmer, sir?
You don't know. I'm like a younger twin. I have all them traits and style. See what I say?
Sir, I'm afraid we cannot grant you a visit at this time without confirmation that you're affiliated with Mr. Palmer.
Yo, officer, you are going to just double check. Check again, because I'm sure you say I can visit.
Constable Knight, check with the teacher. Ask him if he know Erland Bartley. He's here for a visit.
Yeah, man. Alkaline.
Okay, Mr. Bartley, come this way. The security will lead you to the visiting area.
Jano, the man himself, my respect real boss, all one.
Oh, so you name Alkaline and thing. Look how the man look, man. Copy the world boss and still the team. And you them say want overthrow the king. Compared to my sentence, that's a longer waiting.
Nothing like that, teacher. You don't know man have a high ratings for you, is it?
So what you want, dog? The obsession won't have for the teacher style and have no limit. And what could have been the reason for all your visit?
Adi, you don't know how you derive the formula from now. To conquer the world. Slap with 2016 and now me have failed to make that impact there, see it. Check said the red eye would have take off like the black eye. But that never happened. So I know the formula want transposition, you see me?
And now you just realize that. You never know said the impact they deny your full black eye contacts. But from your dash them where it look like a stealing formula you think there. So what your formula?
You don't know the formula is based upon your energy times the amount of song you release, divided by the space and time you drop them. Is it? So me get my inspirational force. So all more I have to do is drop a bag of song in a short space of time.
Dad, people always a try to study the teacher. All who can DJ want to start. From the doctor to the man who push the cat. But you take this thing completely from music to physics to pussy class. Dad, can't make the water pick up this. But you don't know me, is a man will always get rhythm from record it from send it from to You must know the new song when you Yo, just try match that. And until then, just go get a girl and go get your children. You have too much time on your hands, you're too free, dad. And you have study the teacher 3 hard.
Yeah, man. That's a word, man.
So where you are wait, man, you're not done.
Jono, you know somebody that pretty little picture for the IG still, you say?
Dad, I want me to you. Man, not depend that.
Alright, teacher. Just shape me on then, you say? Yo, reader. We just don't chat to the boy in person, you know. Yeah, man, me get the handshake. Yeah, mad. So you say, 2 weeks time. Which other thing that? Alright, now say a word, man. I go boil some kidney bean soup later, you see me?
TVJ News has confirmed that incarcerated dancehall artist Adidja Palmer, otherwise called Vybee Cartel, has been admitted to hospital with a kidney infection.
Me nah play for no money game. If I no money, I be wrong number. I know some me name. Temperature will have to keep the chill. Push out me chain. Crime man, I grind, man, I grind, man, I grind. Man used to get up without hope like nothing in the day. And I work for jump chains like nothing in the day. From ZK Sterling, link up fully code, I always pay. Tuna vibes, links I make. Nothing in the week. From me get the beer.